Java is a strongly typed language, and every variable must have a declared type. Let's create a field and initialize it with an integer and a semicolon at the end. So we can see this is int type, primitive type. By default, the integer is int type. In Java, there are the next data types. Firstly, byte. This is 1 byte. Let's create a variable of type byte. And we have a short type. This number, for example. Type short. And the next type, of course, int. This is 4 bytes, its size, from 2 billion with negative number to 2 billion with positive sign. This type int. And by default, if we warrant some value, it will be int. We can see it, int type. And if we need a big number, we can use a long time. Long. This is 8 bytes. And this is a very big number. Like this. And type long or literal L suffix, and here long. If we write var, we can see the type long because we specify L suffix or prefix, and here we can long. Use this syntax. We can see the mistake integer number too large, and we must specify the prefix L, long. This is long number. And this type was for integer types, integer numbers without fractional part. And for floating point numbers, we can use float. Its size 4 bytes. And double. It means double precision. Double for 4, it is 8. So we can create a float type f3.6. We must specify f prefix to denote that this literal number is of type float. And if we just some number with fractional part, it will be automatically double type. We can write var, we can write double. This is the same number. So if we double number divide by 0, we must get an infinity. We can check this is possible infinity or negative infinity with constant from double class, positive infinity or negative infinity. Run it again, and positive infinity true, negative infinity false. Also we can check is this not a number, also from class double. This is a wrapper class of this primitive type, and not a number. This is constant, and if we check is not a number, and we use G. Run our program. False. This is number. Also, char type. Char type is used for specifying one symbol, one Unicode symbol, the letter A, semicolon, and there are the special symbols, special chars. This is new line, this is return carriage, and this is quotas, double quotas or single quotas, and the escape of slash itself. For example, you can write Aslan, Javaiski, and quotas, like that. If we run our program, we can see the next result. Aslan, Javaiski, and these quotas. It may be one quotas or single quotas. And of course, a Boolean type. It may be true or false. Two values. Boolean, some condition, and false, for example. So, good job. See you in the next lesson.